Hello everyone, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So tie the hairs from the sides like this and join them one by one on the back. Tie the hairs by dividing them into two parts and make the plaits like this. Now make the plaits on both the sides and then fold it upward and fix them on the alternative sides or on the same side, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and take the hairs from the sides in the very small sections and join them in the between one by one like this. Fix it by making the plaits and take the very small section of the hairs on the back and tie them like this. At the end, pull out the hairs like this and fix them, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it and fix it in the half. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small section and from the ponytail and join them by making the plaits like this on both the sides. Now join them together on the back, or you can leave it as it is, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts or three parts and divide them from the between like this. Now rotate them. Now after that, on both these sides, we will tie the plaits like this. After making the plaits, join the hairs together and fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Divide the hairs into two parts and divide them from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top. Now we take very small sections and rotate it like this. Now make the plaits on the very small section of the back like this. Tie 3 to 4 parts of the plaits on the hairs and it's ready. Next, keep few sections of the hairs aside and then tie the hairs on the back. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now roll them upward and fix it to make a bun. Fix it using the hairpins. Now take the hairs which we kept aside and roll it around the bun like this, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into 2 parts from the between, then tie them like this and fix them into each other by making the space one by one. Fix it till the end and tie all the hairs together like this. Fix the hairs carefully and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail and divide the hairs into 2 parts. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this. Divide the hairs into 3 to 4 parts like this and then make the plaits on it. Tie the hairs till the end and make the hairs properly. Fix it, now fold it, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then divide the hairs like this and then fix it. Now fix the hairs into each other. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix the hairs into each other like this. Now put the hairpin on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the sides and make the plaits on it like this on the very small sections. Now repeat the process for few more times. Make the plaits on the hairs. Now after that, we will fix them one by rolling it upward like this and make the flower like shape and arrange them in a line, and it's ready. Next, take the ponytail and then divide the hairs into 2 parts and then fold them upward like this and fix the hairs in the between, then fold it upward and make a bun. Put the bun pin over it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, take another section of the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then again rotate it. Repeat the process for a few more times. You have to just take the hairs from the back and fix it like this. Next, make a ponytail, tie the hairs like this and then divide them. Now roll them together like this. After rolling them till the down, we will fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it by folding it upward and then tightly fix it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.